to be notified. And we use the opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you very much and God bless you. Let's go straight to the news. Yes, tension in the northern part of Nigeria as 4,000 ethnic Fulanis arriving in the north. Yes, the news read around 4,000 ethnic Fulanis herders have fled southern Nigeria in the past 1 week following deadly attack by the mobs who blame them for rising crime in the region, officials said on Thursday. In recent weeks, there have been attacks on Fulani herders, settlements in the Yoruba-speaking southwest and the Igbo-speaking southeast by the mobs from local communities. The holders are accused of being behind the rising spate of kidnapping as well as violent crisis with the farmers over grazing rights, underscoring intercommunal tensions in the multi-ethnic nation of 200 million people. We have verified around 4,000 Fulani herders who arrived in the state in the past few days, Hassan Ablayi of the Northern Kaduna State Emergency Management Agency (LCMA) told AFP. More are still arriving, he said, adding that the government would assist the herders to settle down. Their major needs are food and household items because they came with nothing, having lost all they had, Ablayi added. Haruna Usman Doga, head of MACBAN, the Fulani Herders Union in the state, said the returnee have been settled at a game reserve. We have 4,000 Fulani herders comprising of 150 families who have relocated to the Langodi Game Reserve in the past week, he said, adding that more were in their way. Doga said, although there had been calls for all Fulani herders in the south to return, it had not been easy for them to do so. Fulani in the south have been there for generations and it is difficult to ask them to leave, he added. The issue of pasture for their cattle is another factor that will make someone prefers to stay because there is not enough vegetation in the north, he said. Northern governors on Tuesday cautioned against reprisal against southerners in the north. They appealed to southern leaders to stop attack against Fulani herders to prevent plugging Nigeria into civil strife. Analysts also warned against compounding the nation's security problems, particularly the years of deadly conflict between the herders and the farmers over water and grazing rights. President Muhammadu Buhari is already under pressure to curb a decade-long jihadist insurgency in the northeast and the growing criminal gang violence in the northwest. It will only add to the deadly herd farms violence we have witnessed all over the north. Local analyst Ibrahim Adamu told AFP of the ethnic tensions. The government should find a lasting solution to the problem. This is where we end the reading. Yes, my brothers and sisters, you've heard the whole thing. The northern part now is boiling because of thousands of Fulani herders that were living in the eastern part of Nigeria and the western part of Nigeria are making their way down to the north because of the attacks on them and because of the quick notice that were given to them by our leader in the southeast and also some part of northwest by Sunday Igbo. So at this moment in time, the Fulani herders and their family are not welcome anywhere in the southeast and the southwest and even south. So this thing is getting worse on them now. They've got no choice but to leave the so-called the southeast and southwest lands because of these attacks, because of their evil atrocities, their evil things they have been doing and committing, they have been given this notice to leave the land of Biafra in general. So, and in this news, you can hear where the government as well, the government of the northern governors are now crying heavenly, calling Muhammad Buhari to come to their aid, because as it is this moment in time, the population is getting huge over there, because some of the returnee in the north have been living in the east for years. Some of them have been living in the west for years. So now when you combine that, people that have been living long years outside, going back with their family and children and all that and cattle, so it will do have some impact, you know, on the other side. So now that's why the governors of northern states are crying and are saying that something must be done regarding this. But Obasagani amasunu ba akwa kugbu onwe unu nli n'ishika gbasara unu la unu arụọla ala pezi elu laanụ. Nnamdi Kanu our leader agwala unu sunu shi n'obodo anyị laa ọwụ nsogbu. Unu nụ nga ahụ biri n'ime ọhịa egbuchi ndị mmadụ, egbu ụmụnne anyị, egbu mma anyị, egbu nna anyị. Asị unu laanụ ara agbagbuchikwa unu nga ala kugbu unu. People say they are tired of you guys. The mothers, children, brothers, fathers, everyone is crying because of the atrocities you guys have been committing back there in our land. There are so many evil acts, so many things that you guys have been doing long time ago. And it has come to a point where we say this, enough is enough. We can't take it anymore. And we cannot sit down and look you guys, you know, destroying our properties, killing our brothers and sisters, trying to take our land. No, it's not possible. So, and the around eastern parts and western and west parts of Nigeria, well, you guys unu ga-adị ready mo set here. Unu ga-adị ready mo set here, because orule n'omume oge ahụ erule, oge onye ndu anya gwara unu erule. Unu chọrọ wee unu gawa ebe unu shi bịa. Time ezuole. Ọwụ mgbe ọbụla anyị na-ebe akwa eti mkpu ndị gọọmenti anyị na aka, wee gọọmenti nyegara anyị aka. So ka anyị jiri nyere onwe anyị aka. Unu shi n'ọla anyị pụọnụ kpọrọ nna unu lawa. After all, anyị kwesịrị ịkwụsị iri nna unu, because unu na-ediri with nna unu. Unu na-ediri with nna unu. Unu na-ediri with unu egbuo ya nye anyị. Anyị rie fia arụ na laanụ biko. No ewu ka iriwe na ewu, unu eriwele nnama. Ndị a na-ediri with nnama ha. Unu eriwele nnama biko nụ. Let's stop that. These people are committing evil, atrocities in our land. They are committing atrocities. Upon that, they say that this is their land. They are claiming another people's land, while they've got their own land, and come to another people land to claim it and say that it's their land. Upon that, now commit evil. So many things in the Amege, all the too much. Aya chozi. Mona chokwanela, enwezi yunu, ndi kefara afo, enwezi gweni yunu, ono ewere. Enwe anything unu hono, unu ewere. Unu chore no, no ono. Akwata meru unu esule. Ota ka ga-eshi ofu until na anọ ntị. Ọnwụ na asụ unu lagwa unu ala laanụ n'obodo na ya achọzi unu. Ọwụ by force. Anyị achọzi unu lawanụ. Anyị achọghị ihu unu there. Unu nọrọ nga unu na-emebishiri anyị ala. Na-emebishiri anyị ala mgbe niile. Biko lawanụ, ike agwụla anyị. Anyị achọzi. Any child will say, "In mama no go sleep." Himself no go sleep. Thank you, my brother. This is where I'm gonna stop. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye. Love you.